Hey y'all, Mrs. Happy Homemaker here, and I'm going to show you how to make a foolproof prime rib today. This is the easiest recipe. You just need a little bit of fresh spices and some garlic in a bowl. I've got fresh rosemary, thyme, and basil, and fresh garlic. And I've got my beautiful prime rib, and I've got some olive oil. It's the easiest thing ever. You just pour the olive oil. Well, I actually kind of want to massage it in a little bit. You don't want to just drench it in olive oil, but you give it a good coating all over. And I'm going to take my herbs and put them all on top. Okay, so I've got my prime rib all rubbed down with olive oil, dusted with some garlic, some salt and pepper, some fresh herbs. Got it inside my cast iron skillet, which I love to use. If you don't have a cast iron skillet, you can use a baking pan or a roasting pan. It will all work. But the trick is to put your oven at 500 degrees. Put your rib roast in the oven, well obviously. Close your oven door and let that cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, come back, turn off the heat, go watch a Hallmark Christmas movie, put your feet up, let it sit for 2 hours. Don't touch it, don't open the oven door, don't do nothing. Come back after 2 hours of it just sitting there with no other heat going into it, slice it up, and it's a perfect medium rare.